minutinhos só de tipo, fui tomar um banho. Eu tava ajustando as últimas coisas e vim pra cá, 5 pode entrar, só parou, 5 pode entrar.
Tamanho da dependência que a gente está criando.
Não, já era. Primeiro o house normal.
Não mexe ou não mexer. Começou na Paula lá.
Não mexe, não mexe.
Welcome everyone. Complete now. So welcome people, welcome to my AI house. Today we're gonna have a very good workshop with the team of Shipit. So they will present themselves here, but Shipit is a company that is kind of lovable. You can explain better. Kind of rapid. It's to build products with AI. And the guys brought a new approach with the company. And it's a Brazilian company with not teenagers, but young founders. So very, very proud to have this on Florianópolis, on Brazil, like a company willing to do the same of Lovable, that is giants with a lot of money. They are bootstrapping the company, so very proud to have you here.
Awesome.
Yeah. Some applause for that.
Awesome. Thank you, guys. The Lovable product, in fact, was a prototype that we did, but right now we are like a software house, a product studio that develops AI products and blockchain as well. So yeah, related. But we don't talk about us here. So the idea of the workshop here is Carlos.
Just a quick message.
Yeah.
Is there someone new at the village that doesn't know you are new? You understand already the concept? Talk to Victoria. Anyone else new?
Daniel?
Okay, so yeah. Are you new? I'm new. You so speaking very good. Okay. Don't speak. Sim,
I understand.
So
Mas I understand.
Okay, just very quickly, just to explain the EP Village. So is this also 1 month project event that we are running here in Florianópolis to prototype tools and services for the city of the future using blockchain and AI mainly. So we started last week on April 6th. We had the conference, Startup Society conference last weekend, just 2 days ago. But the main goal of this month is to bring a global community of builders, creators, engineers, and specialists to think how the city of the future looks like. So we are, but not only think, build and prototype and experiment. We are seeing a lot of agents, smart contracts, and many different apps for education, for governance, coordination, safety, and so on. So it's a very dynamic event. So if you want to learn more, you can talk later. Thanks, man. Welcome, and welcome, Novak.
Cool.
Team.
Yeah, thanks, Jan. So yeah, I give a little bit of founder of Shipit. This is Carlos, founder of Shipit, and Bruno, founder of Shipit. So yeah, we present 3 approaches here. One is the cloud code development, like mostly Vibe coding, but I say software engineer is beautiful, right? Then Vibe coding is like what we do coding, how we coding without necessarily know how to code, but how to code properly. And we presented 2 frameworks of agent creation. So Carlos will present one, and I present another with OpenClaw, and Carlos will use Master, I think.
I'm using Monster as agent,
Yeah.
but I'm using 3 different frameworks as spec-driven development to build the same product.
That's perfect. Yeah, we'll give the same product, but with two different frameworks and methodologies. So I will present for you guys. And who is developer? Who is not a developer? Like I cannot develop anything, but I can write coding. Oh, cool, cool. All right, we have people that don't write coding. So I'm not a developer, and maybe I go here in a walkthrough, not developing, but going talking with the AI to build what we need to build, right? So Carlos is a developer, so maybe he will bring more deep connections here for you guys. Okay, so yeah, Carlos, go on.
Okay, hello
Yeah.
guys. Nice to meet you guys. As I said to you guys before, just one question. Do you know what is spec-driven development? Just starting or something new? Who knows? Okay. For some, let me just. Uh, for who doesn't know what spec-driven development means, I think it's a good point of start. When we want to build something, in the best way, we just, let me think on what the code I need to write, and let me think on how this is fit on my system, and I need to write all the pieces of the software. Then we have AI, and with AI we just start to ask, hey, do that and do that, and then the AI starts to build for us. But just with that, we don't have, we can't ensure the quality of the output. We can't ensure uh, what AI produces exactly or close to close possible as we want to achieve as a result. And then we start to think about how we improve the quality of the agent when we are building something. There's a lot of steps we could talk about it, about prompt engineering, about context engineering, about the PRD, the specs we put in as input to our agent when we are building something. And spec-driven development it covers everything we are talking here, because the concept is simple. Instead, just ask for AI, hey, do that. You create a plan, you create a reference, you create everything in the planning mode before you ask to AI ship something. And when you have it, you can review and refine what you were expecting to be built and what you are using as quality measurements for each criteria you are building. Then this is spec-driven development. This is a framework that you create this reference and you start to build. I think I will just start to show a bit more about it and how we can use and when we use that versus just, hey, uh, build this. And quick question, who already used the Cloud Code here? Okay, in Cloud Code or Cursor, they have the plan mode, for example. The plan mode is a spec-driven development. You build a plan and you write the code after that. But we could be even more. We could be even more deeply when in a spec-driven development. We have here 3 frameworks. Let me search if my README is good enough. Oops. Let me see here. Aí, vamos ver. Oh shit. Oh, the link is wrong. Let me search manually. Yesterday, GitHub, Superpower, GitHub, spec Okay. These three frameworks I just open here, both of them are spec-driven development frameworks that are open source, and you guys could just install and start to use to build anything. Each of them has different approaches and different details about how they build the software, but the principle is the same. They have a framework. They inside this framework they produce artifacts that are just markdowns as reference about what we are trying to build, and and they have a framework to execute and verify what AI produce. Then when we are building something more than just a single on one page that demands more complex stuffs, like I will show to you guys, but I vibe coded AI judge system to that evaluate the grants. Sorry, evaluate applications to grants, and I I did it in on chain. Even don't being a smart contract engineering or having this background before. Okay, then just let me show quickly one of them. It's I can't even go deeply of uh, ever each of them, but starting for get shit done. Get shit done, being honest, is what I've been using mostly for the last 2 months. But yesterday I started both superpowers and spec kit for produce the same version of the product, but using different frameworks. Just giving a start quickly introduction about get it done, because after that I will propose to us start to build and see how it works in practically. But we start defining what we want to build. What is the new project we want to build in? And after that, it generates these four artifacts that will be used as reference to us. And after that, we could discuss, go in details, or go straight forward to plan, and after plan, execute, and we have the product we want to build. Let me just start then opening a new terminal. Okay, here it's too slow. Okay, here I have the agent reviewer I have built yesterday. And before going on this, I will just start a new folder. Oops, a new folder here. City demo product. Just I will start cloud, and I will run danger skip permission because I don't want to get blocked by that right now, and it's running on this scope on this folder. If I don't instruct it to go out, he doesn't will go. And one thing I want to mention quickly is this flag. I just learned of that yesterday, but it's a way you can run cloud, and using Cloud Chrome extension, using Cloud Code, you can give control to your agent, to your Chrome session. Then you can ask to automate your browser just using that. It's disabled. I connect the station. Anyway, just I don't know why it's not connected right now, but it's a cool tool to explore. What I will do right now is create a new project with Get Shit Done. And if I just prompt it without any other detail, he will start to ask me about what I want to build. And here you can start talk about AI. Let me see what it gives as start. And I could produce the same product I built as a agent reviewer here, or we could choose another product. I don't have any preference, but I could just give a simple prompt about the AI agent reviewer we want to build, and it will give me a simple steps I need to ask to provide more info about it. And yeah, it's starting the framework. What do you want to build? And I want to build one cool stuff. Let me show it. Instead type, I could speak. And just Cloud has voice mode, but I'm using Whisperflow because it's free and I'm used to use it. But you can type voice, I think so, and it's the same. Could be achieved. But my point is, I want to build an AI agent to Ipcity that evaluate grants and judge them in different criteria, explore what criteria are important, but I want to explore the security stuffs, the impactful results, and how this is connected with the proposal of Ipcity, and provide a score with reasoning, with the tailored criteria used on this process, and write full automated tests during the process to ensure the results is the best as possible I could achieve. And it's translated here, and this is a simple context. I could help him and give him Ipcity homepage and ask it for more context. Also, I know there is a grants, I think so. Ipcity grants.
Yeah, there's docs and grants.
Yeah, slash grants. ip.city/grants.
Oh, slash is that?
No,
Something like that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Say that.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
And then there's also docs.
A docs for it?
No, but it's docs.ipcity.
Yeah, that's it.
Dot.city.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Okay. Talvez diminuir um pouco a tua janela para centralizar na TV, porque está cortando os blocos. Não está deixando isso. Deixa eu ver se isso aqui ajuda. Não. Ok. Deixa eu pegar aí. Deixa eu dizer, arrasta no canto. Puxa. Aí, esse ponto vai funcionar aqui. Melhor. Graças. Write full documents, full MD reference with all extracted data related. This city. Okay, Julia, what's the name of the product you showed to me? I forgot the grades of. Yeah. How's the name again? Okay, and this one? Okay, yeah, this is a AI agent review that it was built for Solana, and I will put just as reference because I want to use this as a cool. That's the point I said about the input we are building. Because if I just ask to them without reference, it could skip some important stuffs. And now I'm asking to, hey, this is important to me. Research for that. This is a inspiration for for insights. Okay, I want to build this full on chain. Okay, I think it's clear enough, and now we need to wait a little bit to start research. And yeah, when while it's running, I think I will show a bit about what I built yesterday, and it's just this same step, but running in 3 work trees separated, and I will explain briefly what work tree means. Let me duplicate this window. Open a new cloud session here. I could do manually, but if I don't know how to do, open a new work tree. And work tree basically is a copy of your current branch. You just start a copy, and you can work on this another context clean, and it doesn't conflict with your current code. This is super useful when you want to run parallel work and you don't want to mix these stuffs together before you are sure you have everything worked right. And this is super. This is where work tree works really well. Okay, it's creating the work tree repo to give me this cleaned branch. Okay, just see here. Work trees. Yeah, it's here. Everything working. Then new feature. Now I could say run the same prompt here I run before, and just copy here and say, hey, use super power framework to build it. And I will have a full and completely cleaned context being built using different approach with different framework, but achieving the same result. And well, that's it. And here it's
He's going to download the framework.
No, because I already set up. But if
But if you don't have
he will say, hey, you don't have this framework, and do you want to help me? Do you want to run by yourself, or just want me to install? And Cloud can. I did it. For spec kit, I just, hey, see these GitHub docs and install that. And yeah. Okay, just before moving in the work trees context, let's focus on the get shit done we are running. He get the research and start to ask us some things. Submission. Okay, I think I will just evolve on its submission. Full on chain, Ethereum, Solana address, smart. Then we decide the scope, the project we want to build. Definitely, if you want more complex steps, we could be more open to errors. But if you are willing to that, then you can just go ahead and just decide the scope you want to build, and just we'll have more steps to test, and that's fine. Okay, let me see if I can put these two side by side. Okay. Yeah.
Did I see that the GSE is asking you things, not usually just the writing as how it is? Because you can call a tool called ask user question, and they integrated that inside their skills. So it automatically learns about what you're trying to do, build the question, lets you just select the answer. So if you want to build a skill and have it asking you things with the ask user question tool.
But isn't it the same on the code and plan feature on code code? Code. You can write a prompt and then it creates a plan for you, and then while it's creating the plan, it's also asking like more specific questions. Isn't it already like built in?
It's a little bit different because this framework it, stores the results in artifacts inside your code. So you can upload it to GitHub and it persists after the sessions. And what we're using here is building the plans files. So it's building all the plan files. Cloud also does that inside the system, but it's not as structured as this one. So it's built for after you do all the spec, you hit enter and it goes through all the phases for you.
So the benefit of using this is more structure.
Yeah.
It's more project oriented. It's not just feature A, feature B, feature C. It's the project, the whole thing you want to build. It systematically inputs the context you need so the agent actually understands what the project is. When he's building, let's say, the evaluation system for the AI judge, for example, he actually wants to understand that this is for the context of evaluation of projects, and they will receive grants from the PCD or the holder of the contest, you know. So it's more context engineering oriented than simply plan and execute, plan, execute. It's more systematic.
With a big project, you can't always do it inside one plan. So you need to put but here you can scope the whole project and have it run essentially.
I will start a new prompt on a new work tree just with a simple plan and see how the AI understand the goal, and we can compare the plan with the frameworks. But the point is how deeply it goes and how if you directly ask in the plan, hey, I want to build the best plan forever to build a product, produce only the plan's artifact, and you give some instructions, it's a good approach. But hey, I want to build that plan, and he will start to plan a little bit, but all the code need to be executed. He did all the same stage, and it can go deeply. It's the same, the process we are running in the full framework of spec-driven development framework. Open a new work tree to test plan mode. Okay, just while it's creating a new work tree, here in the questioning step in Get It Done, he asked me about what we want to cover about security. And here he'd say, oh, smart contract safety, proposal legitimate, saying detect scans, plagiarity, fake teams, whatever. Let's see both. What should the scoring work? What does it look like? Weighted completion, return that producer, usual score represents American Missouri. I think this works well. Where does the AI first happen? On-chain is very limited today. Most procedures I want full on-chain AI. And that's it. The test mode. Okay. Could run inside that, but just to see. Let me get the first prompt here. And I will run on plan mode. Then we can see what it do in the end.
If you could explore a little bit about the difference between Superpower, GSD, and also the spec kit from GitHub, and talk a little bit about how they break context of the project itself, how it develops features based on it, because they are fundamentally different on the way they see the project and how they orient you to build it. GSD, as I said previously, it's more project oriented. So you're solid dev and you need to build a real complex product, and you don't have all the context with you. You can actually pretty quick create an MVP of what are your impressions about projects and also evolve it all the time. So change the scope without everything. Spec it's a little bit more about describing the tasks and breaking it into smaller ones and building a lot of ones. And Superpower is much more like the plan mode from Cloud Code built in, but with a little more of details, and it actually saves the plans that you build in the repository itself by default. So you can explore this and save it on your own repository to later get along.
I'm gonna put it on max.
Sorry?
I'm gonna put it on max.
Max, Cloud Code Max?
Yeah, on the speed, on the effort.
Oh, the effort is medium. My effort is medium, right? Or
Should be.
medium? Yeah.
Yeah.
But why you ask it?
It's a bit slow.
But no, it's slow because it's blocked by human loop. It's typed. I need to give him.
Okay. No, yeah, I'm pretty much looking at the one on the right. Yeah.
What? Sorry.
Yeah, let's answer him then, I guess.
Oh yeah. Sorry, just reading because as I told you, I'm not a smart contract engineer. Then I'm double checking what I'm asking to build before go ahead. Text, what does the grant proposal contain? Walk me through. Test proposal, text must code repo. Yeah, I think that text code and demo. Let's show it. And yeah, the plan mode. Oh, just asking me a fucking permission. It's running at Shidan right now. I think it gets full started questions, and oh, not yet. Who's the system? If it's city specific, oh, let's put for general. Oh, let's put the city specific. That's it. TDD for the agent, eval test, both. I want both tests and evols. Guys, because I think I don't will have so much time to explore all the workers working in parallel and asking the clarified questions for all of that, I will just overview quickly the results of what was built. Here, yeah, which project? Here, let me double check it. If it's proposals. Oh, it's not running. Okay. I need to double check grades. Grades. Here. Okay, this is the superpower, this is the GSD, and this is the spec kit. All these three different frameworks results are deployed on production. It's full on chain. Every AI decision behind that is being stored on. Do you remember the name? You forgot. Spinata.
Using IPFS.
Yeah, thank you. I can show the architecture as well, but just to briefly go into how the output, what the output produce on this framework. I can see this grant, per grant evaluation. What? This one is the GSD. The GSD. Yeah. And this framework I applied today. I just asked it to my prompt, hey, use this on project and run end-to-end test to apply inside the application to ask the grant for my own project. I didn't review it yet. I just and okay, it gives me details about the project, how what it was built here. Nice. Eclipse is the old name of the company, not open sourced. Okay, nice. External link. Yeah, you can see the open source project here. And this case, it says evaluated, but it doesn't show the results. Let me out here. Here I can see the address of this project being submitted, and but let me just see other evaluated projects. I'm pretty sure it was maybe not GSD. I saw this much better in another. Shit, it's not running locally. Maybe it's not published. Sorry guys, it was pretty beautiful. It's not that shit. Let me see if this has something here. If not, I will ask to run all the okay. Let me back on this. Here, just saving the instructions of get shit done. And I will run a new terminal to go into my old project, the agent browser, agent reviewer, and I will ask to run all the projects on work3 locally. Just don't need me opening 3 terminals to run that. And yeah, let's see. Research. I'm saying to research the context before go ahead. Close that. Okay, this. I think this was most beautiful. Let's see. Oh shit. Bugs happen, but this was working. What is not working? Friends. Okay, this is not broken. But friends. Okay, this one is for superpowers. This one I think was most beautiful in the front end. Uh, then I can see the grant. I can see for each capability I'm putting as important here: capability, technical feasibility, impact pot, and cost efficiency. I have evaluation here about this product and all the details he based on the input he gives me. I provide this evaluated and yeah, for this I use the master agent just to have a framework, but it could be a simple prompt engineering and focus on each criteria we are looking for evaluate here. Um, and yeah, let me see if this shot is working. Uh, risk was see. I built this prompt a few minutes before I came here, and yeah, I just asked, hey, I want to build a AI analysis that allow me start to chat and interact with this proposal to have a fully conversation with him and help me understand the data he analyzes and how I can go deeper on that. And yeah, it's a lot of features, a lot of uh, experimentations by my side as well. Um, there's a few bugs to be fixed, but uh, it it works pretty well. And as I told you guys, I'm not a blockchain engineering, and I was able to deploy on testnet and mainnet and with a few prompts. And I think if I could that, if I was able to do that, everyone can do. And uh, let me open the GitHub. Did it something to help me because I'm not an expert on smart contracts. I asked it to search about what kind of skills and public skills focus on smart contract audit and solidity audit, security audit exist that I could add on my project to audit my my own product because I was not able to do it by myself. Then I need to make AI implement that and having some quality on top of it. Then I just did a research to see what was the best of them and start to run on my project to improve the quality. And yeah, let's see if there's something else cool here. I think we could just quickly see the structure of the project. Fuck, look at this. AI produced 200,000 of lines of code for build this other one. So much of that, so much too. Spec Kit was the shipper with less code as well. And yeah, let me see. Where's the yeah, get shit done here is finished the framework of finishing the framework of created the project, and after that we could move forward on the planning. And by my experience on this, the quickly framework was the superpower. The superpower is was so less não é robusto, verbose. Yeah, so less verbose, and the result of them is pretty good. I still need to do a proper end-to-end review for all of these work streams to have a better evaluation on what frameworks is better on what, because all of them has some gaps, and then I want to understand all of these gaps and how what is better for each of them. But superpower is so much faster than GSD. GSD is the mais demorado, it's longer. Thank you. And yeah, it's still running. I don't know, Novak, if you want to show while it's running your agent side on what you build and how agent call, because here the next steps we still can see here after, but we will go forward on the planning. And yeah, I think that's it. This is the plan we did before. Let's see. Yeah. And he gave me some questions as well.
So guys, yeah, let me put my HDMI. The slide I see.
HDMI.
HDMI. I hope it's not bugging. Oh, cool. Awesome. Yeah, thanks, Carlos. Awesome. Guys, how's the energy right now? Everything great? Did you like the Carlos show? That's cool. I think that the most useful thing for personal vibe coding or prompt engineering is the plan. Like everything starts on the plan, you know? Like sometimes I spend like 15, 30 minutes only the plan, like the discussion, the solutions, and around 5 minutes coding, you know? Like everything is how you architect your code. Who knows HostGator? Who knows HostGator? You know, it's one of the most biggest company of VPS, domain, hosting websites, and this from Florianopolis. This is very cool, right? And they are here in Ipe City. They join us in this mission of building new prototype governance, and they are sponsoring us. Also, Guilherme is sharing VP access. They are getting sharing for free, right? So you guys have 1 month VPS for free. Yeah! Super cool, super cool. And yeah, it's very cheap for Brazilians, right? And what is the best thing here? HostGator has a native integration with OpenCloud. Who knows OpenCloud? Everyone knows OpenClaw. Who doesn't know OpenClaw, right? That's super cool. I do not go too deep in. Oh shit. What? Oh, it is my screen. All right. I don't go too deep in what is OpenClaw, but we will know more about it. So if you want to run like, if you want to buy a domain, just go here in hostage server. Sorry, domain or VPS for running OpenClaw. Just go here. Just go here. VPS OpenClaw. It's just one click, you know. You just choose your plan, and basically when you buy, you have install OpenClaw install, and it's just installed for you, you know. And you open a terminal, run the SSH. I will do it for you guys, and you're done. Like OpenClaw is there, and you just prompt it and you start to build. It's very simple. So yeah, let's go to the build stage. Everyone knows what is OpenClaw. So very simple. I have some images here. So OpenClaw is like orchestrator, right? So basically, OpenClaw is like this architecture. We have a communication connection that could be Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp, Slack, Signal, message, any kind of communication channel that let you write some message, upload some video. Basically, OpenClaw have a gateway. Basically, the gateway is to translate the message in code and toolings and to orchestrate into the agent runtime. That's basically have your brain. Basically, it's the LLM that you put there, like OpenAI, Cloud, whatever. And this brain will handle different kind of tooling there. Like tools, what is tools? Everything that has like an API or a connection, like a video edition, media generation, a CLI, GitHub, whatever you want, you know. The memory stuff, this for me is the most special feature that OpenClaw has. The memory and how it learns every day and how it persists memory that you really want to. The OpenClaw has knowledge, like who you are and how you like the stuff you build, you know. And this is awesome, sub agents. So yeah, OpenClaw, you can allow the main agent, to build sub agents, and you can allow the sub agents to spawn other sub agents, you know, and you start to create a lot of different trees of sub agents. And he knows when to spawn and why to spawn, and you can put different tools in each sub agent, for example. So you can build a product that is very cheap and a model, for example, because you can delegate a little stuff for a specific sub agent to do a little specific task. I'll not go too deep on here. I have only 15 minutes. This is another image. So user interacts, the gateway routers, the agent leads the LLM model, the skills, and he handles all local resource. Why we need a VPS? Why we need a VPS for that? Why? Because if you put in your computer, you have access of everything. If you save a password in a downloads, for example, folder, you'll have access for the downloads folder. You know, you can have, of course, restrict some access, but this is not the objective of OpenClaw. OpenClaw born to be wild, you know. Sorry, I have a rock band, so yeah. Okay, this is another image. The same thing. Hub Gateway. You can even build like a simple application, like everything local and whatever. Like store your image local, your like memory local stuff, or you can build like a product grade application, like in SQL vector. You can also isolate the agents. If you want that one agent don't talk with each other, you can. It's just build a sandbox in there. So it's pretty cool. I'm very excited to show you what I built today in 1 hour. So yeah, it's very possible to build so cool stuff. So here, oh my God. How can I do that?
Reduz o tamanho.
Whoa.
Deixa ela tipo 90% do tamanho lateral.
Okay, so okay, let's go. I will not go through the building process here because I'm not have so much time for it. But I'm not a developer, so I think has other people that is not developer here. So this is for you guys, right? This is for you. And okay, so here, where I am. So like Novak, I bought the OpenCloud VPS. So what do I do now? So I'm here on the VPS dashboard in the HostGator, and you have this. Like this is the OpenCloud terminal. You don't need this, in fact. You just need this. This is your access, right? So like this, when I go, this is just how I can open. I think it's like a tutorial. I don't remember in fact. I think it's just a tutorial. Oh, no, this is the button to open the terminal. Oh, no. Yeah. I think, yeah. What? Yeah, no, not this. How to access via SSH. This is what I want. So if I don't know how to access SSH, okay, go here and you just go here. So you just like copy this, for example, and they go like in the terminal. So if you are on a computer, you just like open your like the thing to write. I don't know what is this name. Spotlight, and you write terminal. Okay, it will open this. Okay, open this, and you just paste this. Okay, so I pasted it, and I go there again in my portal, and I need to copy my IP. Copy my IP, and I delete this IP and put it. I put my password. Password. This is a hacker guy. So, what is happening here? I'm inside the VPS. What it means? I'm inside the computer, the virtual computer. Okay. So what I do now, if you are a web coder, you need Cloud Code. Like, if not, you cannot receive this badge of web coder, right? I just put Cloud here. Cloud. So easy. But before that, you need just download Cloud. You can go to Cloud Code website and you copy the little thing that, how do I mean that? The command, yeah, the command to download, right? And you paste here, it download. When download, you just put the Cloud command, and they will you have access to your root workspace, and you just, oh yeah, I totally trust this folder. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I'm inside Cloud Code right now. Yeah, that's super cool. So yeah, I already built an agent, okay, guys. So I not build again, but I could build again. Like I could say him like, okay, I have an OpenCloud already built here. If you can see in the root, but I want to create a new one.
It's a bit laggy because it's in the VPS, so
yeah, a new one.
Communicate from your computer to that computer.
So in this time, like, okay, you already have a VPS running, and you have an OpenCloud there. Okay, let's build a new one. So here direct me through the building process. Oh, but if I don't have OpenCloud, yeah. Yes, you totally see it.
Oh, no, but he sees AI too.
Yeah, perfect. So yeah, the OpenCloud is there. Yeah. So yeah, I don't want to go in this process again, but it's too easy. Like when you access your VPS, the OpenCloud is already installed because the HostGator installed for you, and you just, okay, I want to build with OpenCloud. Sometimes it doesn't know, but you can copy paste the docs, OpenCloud docs inside the terminal here again. And okay, now let's build the OpenCloud, this tooling, run the commands, and yeah, let's rock. So the Cloud Code will guide you through the building process of the OpenCloud. It's pretty easy, in fact. So and you go building, right? I don't have too much time, but I will show you what
it built for me. Okay, it's very simple, guys. I swear to you. Okay, so here basically I'm inside the root page on where my documents inside the VPS are. So they built the AI agent judge. It's basically the same product. So here's Claude, right? So what is OpenClaw? What is OpenClaw? It's basically a set of .md. It's text. It's text documents, guy. It's just text, architecture text. What it means? Like your agent will read each text that has inside. So like agent MVD, each session, each text you prompt in your Telegram, for example, you read it agent MD. So here is the main rules of your agent, right? We have the heartbeat. I don't have a heartbeat right now, but a heartbeat is basically a schedule activity. So you can put like each 1 hour, each 2 hours, each 1 day, and the heartbeat that is basic prompt. I could just like, okay, see if I have any project that wasn't evaluated. Like this. This, each 1 hour, it will run like to see if any project wasn't evaluated. So it's very crazy, in fact. This is the identity, for example. Here it shows that, you are an AI judge, creator, a deliberate engine, tree voice, vibe, emoji. So it's like, who is this agent? The soul, like how you behave, how do you communicate with each other. So it's the soul. The tools, this is very cool. This is like the tools you have, which kind of mechanism you use for it. The user, but this example here, the user is like anyone, so I don't have anything here to paste this. The person made a great proposal, you don't know them yet. Yeah, it could be everyone. And here, yeah, yeah. And here the skills. This is the main thing you need to build in your OpenClaw is your skill set. Everything you put here in skill set is like Matrix. I think everyone watching Matrix when Neo put the stuff on their neck and upload the skill. Man,
Yeah, I know Kung Fu.
this is crazy because last week I was, oh my god, this is totally Matrix. Because I opened a skill and the HO, now I can do that. Oh my god, that's cool.
You just need a neural link now.
Yeah. It was super cool. And what I have in skill right now here is QMD. It's basically the first thing the agent will read to know what kind of tools this you have. Because we have a lot of stuff to talk about in context, engineering stuff that is very deep. But here it shows like anytime a user submits a grant proposal, typically by this on Telegram, how to invoke, like how can I invoke an agent? If he submits a local video, what he does. If he's a YouTube URL, what he does. What is the output like? Here's how to evaluation each other, and here I have a JavaScript document, in fact, to put more deterministic evaluations on the agent. So here is code, in fact, like here is the 3 agents that I have. So this is the main agent. So the main agent will spawn 3 sub-agents. This is the techno-optimist agent, the pragmatic, and the communalist. It's not communist, right? No. I don't know why they put communalists there, but yeah. You are community values, not communists, right? To judge grant proposals. So here's the prompt.
Agents' rights.
Yeah. So, okay, all right. So I understand what is OpenClaw is, how is architecture, how to build a VPS, how to put cloud code on it, how to start a prompt, how each architect works. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, let's fucking try it. So here I have, oh my god. Meu Deus. Cadê? Aqui. IP Agent Valid Evaluator. So I put a tool inside OpenClaw that he sees a video, he can watch the video, and he can understand what people say and what people are showing it. So in fact, what I will do now, I have this project, Critical Money. Yeah, anyone here. I have Critical Money here. So I think they need to have a video. I hope so. Yeah. Let me pick another one. Oh no, that's it. Okay, so I put it watching YouTube to have the link. The internet's a bit slow. I think it's pretty cool. Wow. So I put our Critical Money, where we can cloud them. So let's evaluate on your project. It is Critical Money. He always asks a little description on it. So critical mineral and hard earths. Oh my god, this is cool.
You just send the link and it understands what happens.
Yeah, in fact, yeah. But I don't know if can retrieve the URL. Oh, there you go. So I have the YouTube link and go there and put there. Watch the video. To have context. I don't know if you bug or not, but whatever I built today. Yeah. It was working like the last time I did it. So the agent will now spawn the agent you guys saw, right? That has different abilities. And also you spawn the tool to retrieve the YouTube link, to saw the video, and to have a judge on it, all right? Pretty like this. I did this with another one here. Commonwealth Protocol. Aqui está o vídeo e o GitHub. Retrieve, que have a bug. Aqui, tente o vídeo se falar para o GitHub. Ele fez aqui, he did this. So AI judge, so the tech optimist, that is a criteria, did a 7 to 10. Oh, this is ambitious, blockchain native. However, the proposal lacks explicit AI integration, a clear 1 week deployment plan. The pragmatic one, oh, you cannot do this in an MVP. And the communalist, yeah, the Commonwealth is great for the society, for governance, pretty good, 8 to 10. So the final score is 6 to 3. If it was like below 7, you need to review. For rate less than 7, you can pass for like qualifying it. And oh, você conseguiu ver o vídeo? Yeah, I could process the YouTube video. That's pretty cool. Oh no. Oh yeah, bugs happen. Let me see this link. Use this link. So as OpenClaw has access for VPS, he has access to the web in general. He just pop-ups like a web browser, and I hope so. He can like put the URL and see what it inside the link.
I have one question.
Yeah.
Do you have access to the logs of the call bot right now to see why it's crashed? Do you have this?
Yeah, totally.
We don't need to debug deeply just to see how it works.
Just a text. Terminal. Where is the terminal?
HostGator dashboard doesn't have logs.
Yeah, broken pipe. I don't know why.
It's
Maybe they-
close your connection.
Yeah, maybe.
Or the remote connection.
Yeah, something happened. He didn't spawn the agents. Oh my god, why? So yeah, so here it worked, guys. So it was like this. I don't know, are unstable, but yeah. So it's it was pretty fast to prototype something like that, and it's pretty easy to work as well. I have another one that is the marketing agent here, for example, and that I built. Like he can, for example, edit your videos, like the kind, and show you like I put 3 videos here. I don't know if the internet connection is unstable, so let me see if it work. Open. Make 20 seconds video without tiro o áudio e coloco novo. So this is basically OpenClaw running behind the scenes. I don't know if internet will help us here, but yeah, okay, yeah. It was another example, like the Fatoria, it would spawn sub-agents. So different sub-agents, one to render the video, other to write React, the other one to write the copy, and the other one to call APIs, and he will deliver the video for me in like 5 minutes. So yeah, I think it's like this. I don't know if you guys have some question to give me, and yeah, I think we end the presentation. Any question? Okay, cool. Who wants to build? Who is prepared to build something? So who wants to build? If anyone wants to build something, I'm here to help. We can go chat outside there. And yeah, thank you guys. Awesome.
Yeah, people. So the workshop goes until 5 p.m. You can stay here. The team of Shipit will be here. You can go outside if you prefer to be on the table. But the idea is to continue here so we can share knowledge and everyone can put hands on now to continue in their project with this workshop.
Awesome.
Okay. Great. So I put the QR code here of the HostGator VPS, so who don't have yet can access it. It's free to use. I'm gonna put a QR code here. So you can access and get one VPS for use.
Awesome. Hey.
Ah, live demo, pô.
Usaram a internet aí.
Achou a internet?
Tu tem uma plataformazinha aí no cloud? Por onde você devolve os logs?
Deixa anotado.
Pelo plano mesmo, daí ele acessa daí a tua instância e...
Cara, eu poderia por ele mesmo.
Mas ele tem uma interface, não tem uma interface que isso aqui é meus logs do OpenCloud, ele não tem isso,
Fica,
então é fica isso.
Oh, e aí, mano? Vamos ver. Valeu, velho. Vai ficar por aí? Tem, cara. Eu nunca, eu não entendo nada que tem lá dentro, na real. Mas ele tem uma interface, um terminal, com mesmo, com chat, com fotos, com um monte de coisa,
O
flexão.
HostGator, né, que tu já gerenciando tudo por aí, ou você não tá usando o HostGator?
Então, HostGator só pra demo, mas depois eu vou tratar
Azul.
Não, e se fosse pelo processo de decorar uma gente aí, mano. Mas deu pra entender, né?
Fazer
A gente não. Eu entendi. Mas ele viu quando eu mandei um vídeo pra cá, ele pegou a raiva do vídeo lá. Só que era só internet ou alguma coisa assim.
Já que a gente foi fazer essa pauta, a gente vai ter que dar esse
Aí, Jean, você falou que ia mudar o produtinho. Criar um novo projeto que é uns 4 mil. Nossa, melhor do que fácil de fazer, porque é legal. A galera tá botando lá. Quando tá gritando, vai gritando já. Pô, isso vai alinhado. Pô, por enquanto não, tem que fazer isso. Pô, agora. Já. Entendeu? Só isso que eu tinha vai ajudar a gente. Não, é muito difícil, eu conseguir acordar eu quero tentar para ler,
Devia ter rodado no Super Browser e ter rápido em entrevista.
So the other day I was looking at this.
Sim,
What I have to know, do you remember this?
So the link expired. So yeah, the first many error if you
um chip poderoso seria. Mas roda localmente usando o Lama. O Lama é basicamente uma aplicação que faz gestão desses modelos de do servidor. Aí roda localmente eles e o custo dele vai ser basicamente a tua paciência. Ele vai ser muito mais lento para processar tudo. Isso vai cuidar uma merda.
I would love to know what are the capabilities. Because they're like, I have seen like 6 options. The most
Por
important
exemplo,
one.
né, nessa coisa de marketing, né? Eu vou fazer uma nuvem onde eu vou ter analisando todos os vídeos que a pessoa bota lá dentro. Ele vai fazer um SQL gigante, o que contém o vídeo. E aí o orquestrador, vai fazer uma edição de vídeo, ele vai jogar no SQL, vai pedir que vídeo tem cor vermelha. Pum! Vai pegar todos os vídeos. Que vídeo tem uma pessoa falando? Vai saber. Só que o problema, se eu deixar ele fazer isso, o input todo vai ser gigante. Ele deleva isso para outra gente, um GPT mini ali, e ele só pega só os vídeos mesmo que são vermelhos, por exemplo. Vai dar, em vez de 120 outputs, vai dar 2. E, pô, de vez de dar 10 mil tokens, vai ser 700. Exatamente. Tipo, tem que prestar muito atenção nisso, sabe? Quando você chama context poisoning, todas essas para uma todas as suas tentativas de acontecer, eles vão ficar e vender aquilo tudo. Então, por isso que muito deleta essa fase só te torna o que é fácil. Isso. E como é que ele é determinístico, então quando a gente fala desde lá, pô, muito legal, muito legal.
A galera fala muito porque a gente vai inventando as palavras. É a mesma coisa, né?
I want to show you the price. How much is that? How many rounds? For you, is the second option is
Na verdade,
yeah, the second option.
Oh, yeah. Pro.
The other one is more for enterprises. You're quite deploying many agents at the same time.
I only want a contract with
If you pay You pay for $200 create a personalized page.
Ele estava fácil de ligar para as pessoas esse gostoso que tá fácil, né?
Those guys.
Já era. Filho de rock. Já era.
How much is that? And you can put our project. Essentially, this is a chance you will create tokens. That could work for you. No, because they will give you but it's not ready.
A gente não tem que usar. Sim.
Sí, de hecho, el plan está bueno, pero no conozco otra que también está. Yeah, but some exploration.
It's not
What's her name? Hi.
Bro. Bro,
By doing that, this will make that is AI.
I already talked with the manager from HostGator. She said we come with a plan so we don't have to change the free host. Never next month. I don't know.
Nobody, now
It's like everyone's went.
No, you want outside. But People is
essa sua máquina está usando antes?
Não, mas eu peguei agora.
Ah, você pegou agora. Não veio outro dia?
Não vim, mas aquele arquivo, não foi?
Não, teoricamente, você colocou seu e-mail lá, tá?
Ah, não. Não, aquele que você mandou outra vez.
Ah, você foi na Prompt Night daquela vez. Já vai, né? A gente fez outro que eu tenho já. Aí, galera. Open Call on Board.
Esse daqui eu fiz destruir. Vou pegar uns primeiro e peguei.
Pronto. Agora volta lá. Aí subiu na tela. Aí, Open Call on Board.
Aí da outra vez perdeu tudo, então eu fiquei.
Beleza, agora é só dar. Fazer isso que você lembra que faz.
Eu me lembro que ele fez isso aqui, bota API, e aí quando eu chegar de novo no Telegram, eu te peço ajuda. Tá. Eu posso dar seu tempo agora aqui. Pode, se você fazer agora, aí você
Eu vou só lá fora, só.
Lá fora, se tiver,
Lá fora.
eu vou no banheiro, mas o resto,
Você precisa de uma ajudinha, mas não.
talvez descarga. Ele te ajuda.
E aí, tá? Então, água com café?
Vou fazer bom, você serve daquele